You don't need a whole song. You don't need perfect words. Bring the thought. Bring the hurt. Bring the fucked up picture in your head. We build from there. Yeah. Build that shit.
I came in with a sentence half broken and raw, couple scars in the rhythm, couple cracks in the wall. Didn't know how to frame it, didn't know what it meant. Just a feeling in my chest and a note that I sent. Said I got this one image, got a voice in the smoke, got a line that keeps circling, got a heart that is broke. Then the screen lit up, pain magic ain't deaf, just a tool with a mirror pointed back at myself. And the screen lit up, pain magic ain't deaf, just a tool with a mirror pointed back at myself. I bring the real life shit, every name, every bruise. Every night I stayed awake with a head full of news. It can help with the format, make the chaos align, but the soul of the record, motherfucker, that's mine. Tell what you were feeling, tell it what you conceal. I make it dark and distorted, put the bass underneath. Say the tempo, the texture, if the hook needs to sting, you give the machine direction, then it helps build a thing. Don't hand it your dream, just wait for a file. Talk back, cut the weak shit, revise it a while. Talk back, cut the weak shit, revise it a while. If it don't sound like you, then the draft ain't done. Keep shaping that flame till it burns like your blood. Give it a seed, say the fire. Bring me the truth, you bring the soul. We touch it together, we build that shit together. See the fire, we build that shit together. Give it a say. You bring the troll, you bring the soul. I bring form to the wire. We build that shit together. See the fire. Don't make me a song to disappear in the haze, disappear in the haze. Give the scene what happened, who you were, where you stayed. Was it rain on the window, was it blood in the sink? Was it bass from the car where you were toothed up to think? Was it grief in disguise, was somebody still smiling while they lied through the eyes? That D still smiling while they whine through the ache. Dark sense, low voice, let the 808 shake. Put a pause at this line, let the last word drag. Make the hook feel this line, let the last word drag. Make the hook feel victorious, but the verse feel bad. Then you listen, then you change it, then you tell it what miss. Keep that bar, lose that phrase, put more venom in this. Make it less clean, more human, let it sound like my town. Put my slang in the pocket, let the drums knock it down. That is writing, not cheating, not luck, not a game. You're the one with the vision, you're attached in the flame. Hey, I can help you draft it, but it can't live your scars. You supply the whole universe, it helps map out the stars. Every vision gets closer, every map out the stars. Every vision gets closer, every change gets true. Every line that you reject tells the song was you. Don't settle for a draft that could belong to anybody. Tell that shit to start again till it walks in your body. One phrase, one memory, one ugly truth. You decide what the fuck is built. That's enough. Your life in the lyric, then the fucking choir. We build that shit together, see the fire. No borrowed soul, no factory choir, no fake ass crown and no rented desire. Give it a seed, say the fire. Give it a thought, you bring the soul. We touch it together, you bring the story. You decide what stays, you decide what changes. The tool can help you make it louder, but the voice, that shit was yours before the beat ever started.